Log into Twitter and log into your account. Access Settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, greater than select Settings and Privacy. Go to Security Settings. In the left-hand menu, choose Security and Account Access, then click on Security. Next, select Two-Factor Authentication. Enable Authentication App. Turn on the Authentication App option. Twitter will show a QR code or a setup key for you to scan or enter into your Authenticator app, like Google Authenticator, Authy, etc. Scan the code using your Authenticator app. Open your Authenticator app on your phone and scan the QR code, or enter the key manually if needed. Enter the verification code from the app. Once scanned, the app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter that code on Twitter to verify. Setup complete. After entering the correct code, two-factor authentication via app will be successfully enabled.